Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be extracting the coconut from the coconut shells and we will be making coconut milk. We use coconut milk in our rice and peas, in our different variety of dishes. So today I will be showing you how to do that. Guys, if you like the video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more videos. Enjoy, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm back again, guys. So what I'm doing now, I'm actually taking the coconut water and pouring it into a cup because I'm gonna drink it afterwards. Coconut water is good for you and I like coconut water, so I hope that this one tastes really nice. So watch me as I go along. I like to clean. I like when the place is clean. I don't like to work in a dirt, as I've always said. I the smaller it is, the better it is. So I'm washing it and then I will be chopping it into small pieces. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, give the video a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and stay tuned. watching, and if you enjoy my video, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more of these simple videos. So now I'm gonna pour this out. So this is what's left, so the trash. So we used to eat this with sugar. But yeah, I'm gonna just pour this one in the bin and put this away. So I'm just cleaning, I'm just tidying the area, washing off So I've got a little piece of coconut left. So this here, I'm gonna put it in the oven and roast it. Whoever eat roasted coconut before? Have you ever had roasted coconut? You know, I've heard people in Jamaica that say they have had roasted coconut, but I've never had it before. It's only after I come to this country and I went in the marketplace once and I saw them having roasted corn and roasted, I'm gonna say roasted coconut. Let me say, I know that smell. And then I bought a roasted sweet corn, and then I put this one in the oven. No, I bought a piece of this one, and ever since that day, guys, I love it. So I like roast coconut, so I save a piece to roast. So guys, this is my coconut cream. This is my coconut cream. Yeah, coconut cream. So I'm gonna bottle it up because I'm not gonna use it today. I'm gonna bottle it up and put it in the freezer. Yeah. So guys, thanks for watching my video, and if you have learned something today, probably you didn't know how to extract the coconut milk from the coconut. Oh, by the way, let me get some coconut water. Let me taste and see it. It's actually sweet. Wow, Tyrese! Coconut water actually sweet. I was calling my son to see if he wants some, but maybe not. But yeah, I got some coconut water from the dried coconut. So yeah, that frightened me so.
No, she said that you was calling me.